5 amazing facts about iguana. 1. The third eye. Iguanas possess a primitive third eye called the parietal eye on the top of their head to detect shadows and predators approaching from above. 2. Excellent swimmers. They are powerful swimmers and can hold their breath underwater for up to 30 minutes to escape danger. 3. Whip-like tail. Iguanas use their long, muscular tail as a primary defense weapon. They can also break off their tail if grabbed, and it will regrow. 4. Communicates by nodding. They don't vocalize much. They communicate social signals like dominance or greeting by head bobbing and flashing the flap of skin under their neck, the dewlap. 5. Tough fallers. Green iguanas are arboreal and can survive falls from heights of up to 50 feet, 15 meters without injury.